First, install the hexagonal head of the working tip at the front of the machine. 6 different angles can be adjusted. Please choose different angles according to different tooth positions. Second, install the heat insulation sleeve for tip. The rechargeable battery at the rear can be replaced and installed by rotating. This is the switch button. Long press the machine, battery power and temperature will be displayed. When the battery is fully charged, the power displays level 5. If the power displays level 1, it indicates the power is low and needs to be charged in time. When it displays level 0, it indicates the battery is running out and needs to be recharged immediately. A real-time temperature display is next to the power display. There are also 4 temperature options for different hardness of gutta percha. Short press to adjust the temperature 150 degrees C, 180 degrees C, 200 degrees C and 230 degrees Celsius. Long press the button for 3 seconds to switch the left and right hand modes. Long press again to turn off the machine. This is the heating button. Press the heating button for 1 second to reach the preset temperature. Release the heating button, the temperature will slowly return to 0 degrees Celsius. It can be heated for up to 10 seconds. But it is recommended to heat no longer than 4 seconds to avoid scalds. Several tips should be noted when install the working tip. First one, there are 6 angles for option. Choose different angles according to the needs. Please ensure the tip is well installed, otherwise an alarm with open will display on the screen. Do not polish the tip to avoid breaking the hot solder joint at the front, which might cause the alarm. Second one, in order not to burn the dentists, the heat insulation sleeve can't be installed when the machine is heating. This is the power adapter port. This is the charging indicator. The indicator light shows alternating green and yellow when the machine is not on the charging base. The indicator light turns yellow when charging and turns green when fully charged. 3 hours charging time is recommended for the first time to activate the battery and prolong the battery life.